Looking like true professionals out here, mate. Look at this, we'll make a nice transition here for everyone. Whoop. Well, it's a good day in the workshop for filming some VDJ stuff, eh?
Tell you what, so much horsepower, you probably can't even handle it.
Yeah, that's true. He was just saying there's like well over 1,000 horsepower in here in the workshop. Well over. So we've got the 79 ute here, dual cab, G400 titanium, 314 at the wheels, 33s, 930 newton meters, stock injectors, stock intercooler, Fats airbox and snorkel. And behind us we've got another one. This is a car we built a couple of years ago, coming for a service, and it's also same power. It's an older turbo, it's a G350 G turbo, so a tiny bit less power but pretty much bang on. It's on 35s though, and we coil converted this one and also painted his chassis with a nice polyurethane satin black, and yeah, put the wheels and tyres on this one and that one actually. So yeah, it's been good. I'll show you more around on them. It's definitely a VDJ day today. Let's get all the patrols out and the Hiluxes. We've got a turbo upgrade on this 79 as well, and that will go on the dyno next week. I'll show you around on these and then we'll take this one out for a spin.
Hello, how you going?
And what's your name? What you got in here today?
I have a GU 2012 teenager.
Oh, yeah.
Since brand new.
Yeah, right.
We're Carafa based, so we've upgraded a bigger van and need something to run a bit cooler and a bit quicker and cheaper.
So we've done the intercooler upgrade,
exhaust. Didn't get the exhaust I really wanted, but
yeah, hey, that's awesome.
Hopefully I get some really nice dyno tune
yeah,
numbers.
We got some nice numbers out of it. It's beautiful.
160 horsepower and 380 newton meters. So.
Yeah.
Holy shit. I said this thing had to breathe fire and lay rubber.
You're on your way to doing that, that's for sure. The rest is on you, I think.
Well, it was either upgrade to the Y62 or keep the old going. I love the GUs. Thanks, Red.
I'll take you for a drive in this 79 series dual cab. It's 300 plus horsepower, 314 horsepower to the 33s and 930 newton meters, stock injectors, G400 titanium G turbo. So it's very rowdy. Also super nice to drive still, and more efficient than standard, so it's actually going to get better fuel economy, and you got crazy amounts of power. This thing's sick. It's got the Recaro seats in it and super comfortable car, and pulls like a train.
Listen to that horn! Oh my god! Oh, she's beautiful!
Sounds amazing, drives amazing, reliability. It's got the upgraded airbox as well. Beautiful. Our tunes and setups are the definition of do it once, do it right. We've got the advice, we've got the proof, we do the best setups. We look after our clients and they love us. All right, let's pop some bonnets and have a look, eh? So this is Merco's. It's got the standard intercooler in it. They're good for this power easy. They can do with a fan kit on them if you're doing a lot of sand work, but if you're doing touring around you don't really need that. But yeah, we've got the big G turbo power pipe. This one's got a Patrol Doctor airbox and snorkel. It's where the WA dealer for them. And it's got the G350 on it. Still going strong, 2 years in. And this one here, this one's got a Fats kit on it. So sometimes we do the Fats kits, airbox, snorkel, and their power pipe. This one's got the PDI front mount with the throttle body delete and single entry plenum. Gets the extra gains, all that extra flow. And this one has the biggest G400 titanium turbo on it and a 3-inch Manta exhaust. So the only thing up for both of these cars is injectors and they're piezos, so it's like a 10 grand job, and they've already got well and truly enough power. These have both got the RMR stage 1 clutch, which is good for this power. We do have a clutch that's better than the NPC 1600. We also have some NPC 1600s in stock as well for those people that are rough on the gear or have the injector upgrade, all tied together with the RMR tune on the dyno just behind me. And then we've got wheels and tyres. This one's got fuel wheels on it and the 315 75 16s. They look mean as. And he's got the dual wheel carrier on the back, we did. And this one here's got ROH wheels, the client wanted ROH. He liked the look of these ones. And we sorted him these wheels as well. So that was happy days. So Mirko 76 got the full coil conversion with a GVM upgrade to 4200 kilos, all superior gear and engineered. I'll show you underneath. We also painted his chassis, like I was saying, looks absolutely minty. So we've got the superior remote res shocks front and rear. Got these beautiful radius arms to correct the caster, make it drive nice and straight down the road at speed, because this guy likes to drive fast. Got the sway bar extension blocks there for the lift. Superior steering dampener. This has got the Hyperflex arms in the front, and in the back we have a triangulated forelink, which is the superior setup. It's all a bit dirty because he's been using it, but look how clean this chassis is. That is nice. I was very proud of that job when I did it. And then he's got the track corrected diff 3-inch exhaust. Let's go have a look at this turbo swap out that Thomas is doing. How's this one coming along, Thomas?
It's going along alright, just doing up some of the hoses and getting the heat shield back in, and then it should be all good to put new rail blank in, give it a bit of a clean up under there and put the intercooler back on.
Yeah boy, give it a freshen up, it's pretty dirty in there. A thong slapper. Alright, we'll take this coil converted 76 out and show you guys what it can do out on the tracks. Well, I straight up should have brought a faster chase car. Got this stock tuned ZD30 auto. So it's not really keeping up with you, but anyway, we're getting some good shots.
You know what I'd really like about the RMR handbrake mod? Currently, we're in neutral, and just wait, we're up a huge hill, full flex. I'm just going to get out of the car.
You can't do that with a standard handbrake.
There's no way. I'd get out and this car would be back down there somewhere by the time it finishes.
So this is the handbrake upgrade available on our Shopify. They're Kevlar composite with copper mix in them. Amazing hold on the drums. And then we've also got these modified spreader bars and adjusters for that extra bite into the drums. So they work amazing. Obviously, proof's in the pudding there. And then all this stuff's just spares really. You can use it or you can not use it. If you lose anything while you're pulling it apart, they're all just spares. And you can also opt for the drum and rotor setup if you want a new Bosch setup. Also available online, so you can chuck that in with them to make sure it's all minty. Nice freshly machined surfaces and not rooted from sand and gravel running in there.
What a rig, mate.
The RMR handbrake upgrade. Can you get a portrait as well? Because
I've been getting close.
yeah. Oh yeah, get those angles, buddy. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Nice.
Anything for RMR, mate.
Anything for RMR and anything for the clients.
You want me to drive around in a nice car? I'll do it. Alright?
We'll allow it. Well, that's a lot of trust in the handbrake, buddy. The flex on this comfortable beast. The stability with the coil conversion is insane. Keeping all those wheels on the ground. What do you got for us, lamb chops?
One of the reasons why people come to RMR is because they trust us to do exactly what they want. Some people just want a service. Other people, like this fella here, want the absolute lot, the hamburger with the lot, you could say.
Oh, yeah.
And that's why they come to us. We're a one-stop shop. We can pretty much do anything you want. Anywhere from your basic services to your extreme tuning and modification. This is the kind of stuff you're into or you want to book in with, come and see us. This is what's up.
Yeah, 100%, that's right. And we're really proud of the outcome.
Proud of everything we do. That's why people keep coming back to us, because we do what we say and we're proud of it. It's what we would do on our own cars if you guys
100%.
weren't paying us for it. So
Alright, take care, brush your hair. We'll have some more exciting content for you coming up. ZD30s, VDJs, bloody N80 Hiluxes getting thrashed. Yeah, like and subscribe if you're still watching, and thank you. Have a good one.